Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ordinary hyaluronic acid toner. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. Use a gentle cleanser to wash away any makeup, dirt, or oils. This prepares your skin to fully absorb the toner. Crucially, your skin should be damp, not completely dry, before the next step. Hyaluronic acid works best by drawing moisture from its surroundings, so a little dampness is key for optimal hydration. Now, let's apply the toner. Take a small amount, typically 2 or 3 drops, onto your clean fingertips. There's no need for cotton pads, as they can absorb too much product. Gently pat the toner all over your face and neck. Avoid any harsh rubbing. A light patting motion helps with absorption and stimulates circulation. Ensure even coverage, paying special attention to any drier areas. After applying the hyaluronic acid toner, it's crucial to lock in that moisture. Immediately follow with your favorite moisturizer or facial oil. This creates a barrier, preventing the hyaluronic acid from evaporating and ensuring maximum hydration benefits. For best results, incorporate this step into your skincare routine twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Consistency is key to achieving a visibly plumper and more hydrated complexion. To truly maximize the benefits of your hyaluronic acid toner, remember to stay hydrated from within. Drinking 8 glasses of water daily significantly supports overall skin health. If you live in a dry climate, using a humidifier can also help your skin retain moisture. Finally, store your toner in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its efficacy. These simple habits will enhance your skin's natural glow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.